One of the extensions is they have made it for geo-data. So for map related information. And now you can query like what is the distance between this GPS location and that GPS location. Just as easily as you can query, give me all the totals of all the sales from last month. So using similar syntax, you can manage. So it has extended what we call the data types. So the data types in the original one were integers, floating point numbers, character text, long text, short text, some things like that. Very small set. Typically what you would see in if you go to a telephone directory, what would you see? You would see some numbers, you would see an address, those kind of things. So those are the data types. But to create an object relational database, they extended the type system of the database. So now you could handle different types. So this geographic data is one extension. Another extension that they did was to save, what are some typical ones? IP addresses, like the networks. When you create networks, they have an IP address. So you can have an IP address as a data type in there. You can have long text and you can index it and you can do text search on this. So that's another extension. And the most recent one, which I will talk about in a bit, is what we call vector databases. And vector databases are really the foundation of these large language models and some of the new AI related stuff. So I'll come to that. But it is fascinating that one of the earliest database architectures has evolved now to become extensible and can even manage the newest data types because it is extensible. Okay.
That's actually quite fascinating. So let's say a company like Netflix, which broadcasts to about 176 countries or 90 countries, they have a huge media library.
Yes.